So here is the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. So here's my review. The number one thing I'm gonna talk about is the build quality. This thing is built like a tank. You can't get anything better than this one. Again, I'm telling you, this thing is built like a tank. It's fully aluminum build. I really like the build quality. I have been using for more than like 3 years. Still, this thing is built like a tank. One of my Asus phone still died. This is the new one. I bought it a few days ago. I take out the box and set up, so that's why you're gonna see the unboxing here. But this thing is built like a tank. It's only 6.9 millimeter thin. This is absolutely thin. You even do not feel in your pocket. So now I wanna talk about the display. Let me go to gallery. Okay, I wanna talk not here. I wanna talk about the display. Where it went, tall wallpaper, yeah. Okay, here let me make it a little bit darker. So the display is 6.8 inch. First I want to show you the display setting, which one we have. For example, display screen color mode, you can use in standard, super color, or customize. Super color is this one, customize is this one. It's become like AMOLED color. I mean, this display is one of the best IPS panel ever. You heard me right. This is the best IPS panel ever in my entire life. I mean, I have been using it, to be honest with you. One of the best IPS panel. I mean, look at the screen clarity. You just can't get anything better than this one. I mean, literally, I'm telling you. I mean, wow, isn't this beautiful? I mean the display is outside of this world. Again, I'm telling you guys, 6.8 in 16:9, not any crappy stupid aspect ratio. I mean, the display is outside of this world, as you can see. I mean, look at it, look at it, look at it. I mean, the display is outside of this world. The display is so much beautiful. Now what about the music? Okay, I wanna play the music. Let me play the Project Royal. Okay, this one. I wanna play the music. Something like this one. Let me put on full volume. Okay, I'm using with Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. Even I like the equalizer. I mean, there's so much equalizer, advanced effect I can control. And this is the loudest speaker ever I have used in my life. This is the loudest speaker ever I use in my life. I mean, there's so much. I mean, literally, I love this one, to be honest with you. Okay, now enough with that one. Let me show you some videos. Okay, let me go to MX player. I'm literally so here are some songs which I'm going to show you. For example, like Ebony, African famous song. Okay, resume. I mean, the quality is amazing of this thing, to be honest with you. I want to show you the McVeezy, to be honest with you. That one look better. Okay, enough with that. Okay, McVeezy Rewind. Yeah, this song is my favorite. Resume. I mean, look at the quality of it. Mr. DJ. I mean, now you'll be thinking what about the YouTube. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you YouTube also. I mean, this thing is best for watching videos. 2016, I bought the Huawei Note 10, which have a 6.95 inch display. Sadly, it's 18:9 crappy. Especially if you are watching Udemy courses or any online courses, you need a 16:9 phone. That's why I sell that phone and bought this one. It have a Snapdragon 652 processor, 4 GB of RAM. Snapdragon 652, I know show its age, but still it can use for another 2 and 3 years. See, okay, so 4K demo. There's a real 4K demo recorded by 100,000 US dollar camera tribute to TRIBUTE, something like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show that. Yeah, this is it. So let me put on the high setting. You will think the colors are a little bit like saturated. You heard me right. So I'm just gonna put in a super vivid mode because I'm using the custom mode. Okay, let me go to super color. Yeah, now it will look like more accurate. I mean, look at the quality of this display, to be honest with you. Especially, I mean, this is the best. You can't fit a 7-inch tablet, but you can fit this one in your. I'm super happy for it. So enough with the display review. So now I'm gonna talk about the web browsing experience. First I'm gonna talk about the fingerprint scanner. It's very fast, as you can see. I just press. I mean, the fingerprint scanner is really fast. Okay, let me try it again. The best thing I love is the volume key. You heard me right, the volume key. I mean, literally, I wish there was more like back volume key, which look much better than the side one. I just like it. That's how I am, to be honest with you. But now I wanna show you the web browsing. For example, I was watching this news. I mean, yeah, awesome. Love you, Park Army, for this awesome thing. Awesome. But what about the web browsing? Let me go to GSM Arena. I mean, everything is like fast. I mean, literally fast. As you can see, everything is fast. Again, some people say Snapdragon 652 is a slow processor. That is not the case. First, I'm gonna show you the speed. I mean, the good thing is that you can easily launch. I mean, you can use the launcher. You can use any launcher. You can use any icon pack. Okay. System setting preference. Okay. Folder icon. Okay. So yeah. I mean, literally, you can use anything you want, to be honest. Then UI theme at your home screen. Then UI theme. Let me show you. Awesome. Let me go to the preference. Here, home screen, folder icon, icon pack, which I'm using the 03. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm gonna do the speed test. I literally love the Zen UI, which is one of my favorite. Let me go to speed test. How fast is the Wi-Fi? Okay, here we go. Let's click go and then let's see how fast it is. Wow, you are looking by yourself. I mean, literally, it's amazingly fast. It's amazingly fast. I mean, it's amazingly fast. The web browser is quite fast. I mean, let me go to the like IGN. Yeah, especially for reading. Even you can read magazine on this thing. I will show you. Okay. So here we go. Let me open the Daily Mail. Reading Daily Mail on a 6.8-inch phone is amazing. After many few days, I opened the Daily Mail. As you can see, that's taking some time to load the feed. Let's see what is the new feed out here. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I mean, reading on this thing is amazing, to be honest with you. Amazing. I mean, it worked quite beautifully. Now I'm gonna talk about the gaming. You heard me right, gaming. So I wanna play the game simple GTA San Andreas and show you. After that, you are going to see the camera review. So stick with me. I am excited. I am literally very much excited. So yeah, here we go. Come on. Okay, yeah. As you can see, the gaming is quite fun on a 6.8-inch phone. I mean, the gaming is quite smooth, let me be honest with you. The gaming is really very smooth. As you can see. It gets some lag, but I'm playing on the max. If you don't believe me, let me show you. Let me show you the max setting. You see I'm playing on the max. You can load down the graphic for a better frame rate. Well, I'm playing on the max. Enough with the gaming. Now here is the camera review.
Plans telling me that I have 2 weeks to leave her. She telling me 2 weeks she leaving me. It make her too weak to speak to me. But she said fortnight, 14 days. She says to me, Jane, no write out lines, white out lines and just freestyle whatever on your mind at the time. So I'm asking her like, why you crying? And that line, what I need to give. I'm flying back to where I live. And girl, I know to you it seem hard, but Uncle Sam want me out in country cause I don't possess no green card. No hurricane couldn't stop me. And apparently all the what's in the world must shock me. Cause I keep saying no single and alone. And not even a mingle when the home skin a tingle. When I ring you on the phone you have to hand it to me. Read the future good, it mandatory. You understand the story is
my baby don't go. Please don't go. Oh no. My baby don't go. My baby don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go.
my flight plans telling me the obvious. Fresh up out a yard, right back to the metropolis. I feel up on top of this, you understand. The countryman with contraband in Amsterdam, damn, that's the plan. Right on to a T front, me left a key with the name, she know what me. Me used to have her at me yard for repeat. Now she day abroad in my suite. You know see it, kiss on lips. No hello when we greet. Reach a level where devil couldn't heat and dry ice gonna cool down. Dry cries when I fool round. In her eyes, lot of truth now. So much fights have been true though. Till I sight when she moved through. No, it's right, need no proof, no. And so, not to mention what lay up in her brain. Hate to see you on a plane, but you gotta do your thing, maintain.
This is the 4K video recording test on the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer. This is the night walking test on the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. You need to judge how good is the video stabilizer and how good is the video quality. As you can see, the bus is coming, which I'm going to take. To me, the quality seems quite amazing in 4K. Video recording on the Asus Zenfone Ultra in 2019. This is the best 16:9, a true 16:9. Our laptop are 16:9, our home TV are 16:9. Then why the hell we need 18:9 crack phone? This is the last best phablet which I bought. So yeah, you need to judge how good is the video quality, how good is the video stabilizer. Currently I can see there's a laser focus, which the laser is blinking, which means the video is recording. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, subscribe. What's up guys, it's me Geek recording with the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer. Again, you need to be the judge again. Yeah, I'm using the rear primary camera with the OIS on. It have a physical optical OIS. It's not like EIS. So it's me Geek recording on the Zenfone 3 Ultra 6.8-inch screen, not like a crappy 18:9 or 19:9 aspect ratio. A real 16:9 aspect ratio. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality, how good is the OIS, how good is the sound. Yeah, again, you need to be the judge. I'm handling the phone. Literally one of my best phablet. Yes, I know use the aging Snapdragon 655 processor, but still at the end of the day, I could not find anything better. I bought the Huawei Honor Note 10 6.95-inch, but at the end of the day, it was a smaller phone due to the stupid 18:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, the Huawei 6.95-inch was more likely 6.4 or 6.3 if you compare to 16:9. So I say I'm gonna get the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. So this is a simple vlog. Should you buy the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra in 2019? Definitely yes, if you like watching a lot of videos. A lot of people say you can zoom in YouTube if you're watching a video on 18:9. I don't think so. Why? Yes, you can zoom in, but if you're watching some like Udemy courses, Coursera, edX, literally you can't zoom in. So the size of the screen is shorter. I mean 6.8-inch 16:9 is the maximum size I will buy. Literally, but one of the best size. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality, how good is the video stabilizer. Subscribe. This is the 4K video recording on the primary camera. What's up guys, it's me Umair. Currently I'm testing the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. You need to judge how good is the video stabilizer. What's up guys, it's me Umair. This is the front facing camera on the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra. You need to judge how good is the selfie camera, the front facing selfie camera, how good is the video quality and how good is the exposure. Again, you need to be the judge. I mean, as you can see, the exposure seems quite good at the end of the day, but again, you need to be the judge. You are my audience. You need to be the judge. How good is the video quality? You are watching the entire review by yourself. I am honestly, we are looking for the best phablet in 2019. You just can't go wrong with it, to be honest with you. 6.8-inch phone, Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra is a must buy even in 2019. Again, I'm telling you, you just can't go wrong with it. Make sure to check out links in the description box. Subscribe and bye.